Evening YouTube family, welcome back to the Lotto Code Breaker YouTube channel. We are going to do another different lotto that we have not done in a long time. We are going to be doing the Texas All or Nothing. I saw on your requests in the comment section, so we are going to do it. Texas All or Nothing. This is from the United States of America. Yes. So this one, it's a pool of 24 balls, but you'll be choosing 12 balls. So with the luck and the help with the betting companies that we are using this side of Africa, you can just choose 6 numbers and they can pay. You can choose 7 numbers. You don't necessarily have to choose all 12, but if you want the jackpot, yes, you need to choose all 12 numbers. Then the highest number that I have striked on this lotto, it was 9 straight numbers. Okay, it was 9 straight numbers. It doesn't pay much, but it's best to play this one because you can increase your income constantly. When you play this one, you are guaranteed a win, especially with the strategy that I'm going to show you. This is the lotto that I've been playing around 2015, 2016 back then. Okay, all right, so now let me show you how this one works. They use the month. They use the digit of the month. So we are in the month of October. October digit is 10, right? So what you do is the month, that number, the 10, you add or subtract with the previous results. That's what you do. For an example, we're saying 1 with 10. 10 minus 1, it's 9. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 plus 7 must be 17, but it's not there. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 plus 10 is 19. 15 does not give us anything. 17 and 10, it gives us a 7. 18 with 10 gives us a 9 and 8. So 18 minus 10 is 8. Then 19 minus 10 is still another 9 as well. So 21 minus 10, nothing comes from there. 22 minus 10, nothing comes. 23 minus 10 equals to 13, right? Equals to 13. So basically you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers that you have from there. Okay, then while we are still there, this one works most of the time. Okay, we have got 15 and 17. The missing number is 16. So the missing number works well on this one. 19 and 20, there is your 20. 19 and 21, there is your 20 there. Okay, so the missing number works very well when it comes to this one. We have got 7 and 9, there is 8. So you can have your straight numbers coming from the missing number strategy. Okay, all right, let's push and see if we are consistent with the strategy that we are talking about. So we have got 10 minus 3 equals to 7. 10 plus 3 equals to 13. 2 straight numbers from one line. 10 plus 7, 10 minus 7, we have got 3. 10 and 8, nothing comes out of there. This one I will circle it. And then we have got 9 plus 10, 19. 10 plus 10, nothing. 13 plus 10, nothing comes. 15 minus 10, we have got a 5. 16 minus 10, we have got 6. 19 minus 10, nothing comes. 10 minus 10 minus 20, 20 minus 10, nothing comes from there. 23 minus 10 equals to 23. 24 minus 10 equals to 14. Okay, equals to 14. So let's look now into the missing number. The missing number. Here, the missing number is 12. 10, 11, 13. The missing number is what? 12. 13, 14. There is 14. 14 is the missing number between the two. 16 and 19 did not pay. 23 and 20 and 23 did not pay as well. So we only have got two numbers coming from the missing number strategy. Okay, so I'm not gonna push to go all way up. I think I've showed you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So we did evening, morning, and we did Tuesday morning. Now it's Tuesday day, right? Okay, let's do Tuesday day. Okay, so that you can be so sure that it is very consistent, right? Okay, so we have got 3 and 10, nothing comes out of there. Nothing comes out of there. Okay, then we have got 4 and 10, 6 is there. 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 plus 5, it's 15. Then 10 plus or minus 6, nothing comes. 10 plus or minus 7, we have got 3. 10 plus or minus 12, nothing comes. 10 plus or minus 13, we have got 23 and we have got a 3. 10 plus or minus 14, we don't have anything. 15 minus 10 equals to 5. 16 minus 10 equals to 6. 19 minus 10 equals to 9. 22 minus 10 equals to 12. How many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers. Do we have any missing number strategy that we could misuse? 7, 12. It doesn't work on that. 16, there is missing 18, 17, 18. You see, 17, 18, the 17, 18, all of them, they came on that line. They came back again on top there. Okay, so here it did not work necessarily. That's still fine. That's a lot of numbers as well that you would have done. Okay, so let me skip the other ones and try something that I did not analyze. Okay, I'm going to do evening. The evening. Okay, so we have got 2 and 10. 10 plus 2 or minus 2 equals to 8. 6 plus or 10 plus 10 plus or minus 6 equals to 16. 10 plus or minus 9 equals to 19 and 1. 10 plus or minus 12, nothing comes. We're expecting 22 and 2. The 2 is on top. 10 plus or minus 13, we're expecting a 3 and 23. nothing comes. There is 23, there is a 3 on top there. Okay, that's not another trend that we are now seeing. You calculate below, and if it doesn't come on the next draw, you must expect it on the following draw. This is something that we have been seeing below. So let's just keep in mind of that. 10 plus or minus 6. So now we're now saying 16 minus 10 because our numbers end at 24. So we've got a 6. Have you seen that 6 is what it has been playing? No non-stop, it has been just playing. Okay, 17 minus 10 equals to 7. 18 minus 10 equals to 8. 21 minus 10, it means 11 is very cold. I haven't seen 11 playing. I don't know, we'll check. 22 minus 10 equals to 12. Nothing comes. Nothing comes here. 23 minus 10 is 13. It didn't come, but it shows up on top there. Okay. 24 minus 10 equals to 14, but the 14 shows up on top there. How many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6, right? Where are the missing numbers? Okay, we've got 2, 6. No, nothing we can see there. 6 and 9. We have got 7 and 8 there. 9 and 12. We have got a 10. 13, 14, 15, 16. Nothing comes. 17, 18, 18, 19, and 20. There they are, all the 2 numbers there. Okay, so you see, this is how the month strategy works on Texas All or Nothing, right? It plays 4 times a day, right? So practice with the way I've been showing you, and also don't forget to check the missing number strategy and see if it can help you. Start with playing, let's say, 5 numbers, 6 numbers, and the moment you are now grasping the concept, then you can take it to 7, 8, 10 numbers. That's when you'll be able to be hitting the big monies. Understand? So if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel, and also press the like button on our channel as well. And don't forget to check in the comment section. People are sharing good ideas as well. Thank you so much. Good night.